Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making musk rolls.
So, to make musk rolls, you need whole wheat flour, mozzarella cheese, bay leaves, cumin, anise seeds, lard, and grape juice, or must.
You want to get 500 grams of whole wheat flour. Next, get 300 milliliters of your grape juice or must. Now pour the grape juice over your wheat flour. Add 2 tablespoons of anise seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin. Alright. Now get 100 grams of lard. Recommended to have pure sheep's cheese, but we couldn't find any, so we just have mozzarella.
Kroger brand mozzarella.
And add 50 grams of that. Make the dough into balls, and then make sure to put a bay leaf under each one.
Don't forget to put your oven at 56 degrees, but we can't do that, so should we do 360?
355.
355, alright.
Alright.
I'm pushing! This mixture makes about 15 medium-sized musk rolls.
Remember what I taught you, Quasimodo. You are deformed.
I am deformed.
And you are ugly.
And I am ugly.
And these
Once your oven is preheated, put the rolls in for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now get your slave to clean up any mess you have made. Make sure to take the bay leaves off of them. Here they are. It's ugly. It looks like a meatball.
It's hard. It just smells like Mexican rice. It makes me uncomfortable. We should show them this video after they eat it, so they can be forced to go through this. This is why they threw up their food before their actual meals.